we humans are emotional creatures, which is why it matters so much when we're looking to invest for the future. So any investment has to be done with the long-term view in mind, and we humans are made up of, we've evolved over millions of years. We have three, what we call the tri-brain model, which means that the brain is made up of three parts. So the reptile brain, the monkey mind, and the entrepreneurial brain. So the reptile brain is the fight or flight, and this has evolved, it's the ancient part of the brain, it's evolved over millions of years, and it's actually the most powerful part of the brain. So for instance, if a fire alarm went off now, what would happen, the part of the brain called the amygdala would release a hormone which would set me off to my fight or flight mode, it's designed or evolved over millions of years for any danger. If there was a Tyrannosaurus Rex or anything happening like that, for me to run away, and it means that I would be able to survive for the future. So this is still with us today, which is why in market crashes, what they call loss aversion is much more powerful than gains. So knowing this, though, we can help understand and improve our investments for the future. So part two of the second part of the brain is the monkey mind, which is the task or the emotional part of the brain, and knowing this also can help our investments. The third part of the brain is the entrepreneurial brain, the kind of the long-term view part, long-term and creative part of the brain. This is the planning side as well. So this is why it's so important to have a life plan and a plan for your investments. So if things do happen, like market crashes, for instance, you don't go back to having that the reptile part of the brain take over, and you might sell out your position, which is the worst thing to be doing during a market crash, because you're going to be selling at a low price when potentially that would go back up. If you look at the 2008 crisis, it came right down, and then it did come back up again. So over the long term, it does, investments do move up over the long term. But knowing this, it can really help your long-term investments. I think Warren Buffett said it best when he said, be greedy when others are fearful, and be fearful when others are greedy.
Money mindset.
I think that sounds alright.